Okay, one question I get all the time is, Rodney, where do I start with my grant writing? Well, let me tell you where you start with your grant writing. You start at the beginning. With anything, you got to start at the beginning. Maybe, what's all this noise? People. Anyway, you start at the beginning and you start right where you're at. And so right now you're ground zero. And I want to help to get you from ground zero to grant hero. Okay, did you catch that? Ground zero to grant hero. And to become a grant hero, you got to learn the fundamentals. And you got to avoid some costly mistakes. And that's why I prepared for you a dynamic training designed to help you to avoid the mistakes that I made and learn from my successes. So if you go right now to Grant Writing for Beginners or click right below or on the side or wherever it is, sign up right now. And today I'm going to train you and help you to learn from those mistakes so that you can get the success you want. Remember, zero to hero. That's what we're going to be expecting for you. I'll see you soon. Bye.